Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide Facebook profile. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and tap on menu option. Then click on your profile and tap on your profile. Tap on see profile picture. Okay, and tap on your then back, click on three dot option, scroll down, click on lock profile, tap on lock your profile. Just wait few seconds, you lock it your profile. Okay, then tap to hide Facebook profile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.